I'm Pete Klutzier with the Orvis Fly Fishing Schools, and today I want to show you a tip or trick that's going to help you catch more fish in a lot of situations, and that's making a backcast presentation to your target. Making a backcast is not always necessary just because you have wind blowing at your casting shoulder. If I had a little bit of wind and I'm a right-handed caster, this cast could potentially blow that fly right into my shoulder. But that's not the only time that I want to make a backcast presentation to my target. If I'm standing on a boat, sometimes this shot is going to be much easier and much quicker than turning your body around to try and make that shot. So here's a good trick to remember when you make that backcast shot. Take your shoulder and point it at your target. If I take my shoulder and point it right here at the camera, I can easily see what was once my forward cast, now becoming my back cast. I can easily see where that line's going, what's happening, and then I can deliver that fly right out to my target. So I point my shoulder, then I can help make that back cast nice and easily. Now, when I make this back cast shot, one thing I also like to do to help make sure that I'm nice and accurate is after I make that good stop, I'm going to lower my rod down nice and smoothly. I make that stop, lower my rod tip down, and that helps keep my fly right out in line with the end of my fly line, helping to maintain that good accuracy. So again, I make that good stop, and then I drop my rod tip. Now goes the fly, nice and straight. And that's a trick that's going to help you catch a lot more fish.